We're doing a show here called Face TV.
Uh-huh.
And this little segment we're doing is called Subway Dancing.
Okay.
So if I play the music, would you be willing to dance with me?
No.
Maybe if you hear the music.
No.
Dance with you?
Or not with me, but like together, we dance.
Why?
Do I have a slim chance? How about you just go like? How about just go like this with me?
No, I'm not crazy, lady.
Do I have who?
Barry White?
I don't have any Barry
Can't get
White.
enough. Can't get enough of your love?
It's very simple. It's very simple. This is a whole show about the subway.
No.
Can I have 1 minute of your time? 1 minute. 1 minute. You won't dance?
No, thank you.
How about you? You look like you want to do it, deep down. So he's going to play some music and you dance with me.
Oh, no.
All right, just play the music. Come here, come here, come here, come here, come here. Don't worry, don't worry. Don't worry. I'm going to ask you to dance with me.
I don't want to.
Get a feel for the music. Play the music. It's folksy.
That's
It's
nice.
going to start up again any minute.
That's good.
So you just got to stand up with me?
I don't want to.
Oh, come on, just a little bit.
No.
Don't worry, no one will take it. We got people watching.
All right. I need
There,
a dance.
we'll put it right there. Everyone could use a dance.
Yeah, I do. Okay.
Shall we?
Okay.
Billy boy, did she bid you to come in? Charlie Billy, yeah, she bade me to come in. There's a dimple in her chin. She's a young thing and cannot leave her mother. I've been to see your wife, she's the joy of my life. She's a young thing and cannot leave her mother. Did she bid you to come in, Billy boy, Billy boy? Did she bid you to come in, Charlie Billy? Yeah, she bade me to come in. There's a dimple in her chin. She's a young thing and cannot leave